Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do another 10-minute whip and chat with my same wonderful Diamond Dotz painting. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So let me start the timer, because I did like how I handled it last time, that I kept the timer separately for, you know, starting up the video, and I don't want to, what's the term, shortchange y'all and not giving you the 10 minutes. Well, last time I gave y'all, what, 12 minutes? Which I don't mind, because it allowed me to say what I wanted to say in that video, I think. So, yeah, I decided I'm going to keep doing these 10-minute whip and chats during the week. I find this kind of fun. And it's such a quick little chat, just, you know, update y'all if there's anything going on, or if, especially like with this painting, just to see the status of it going through. And I think I should probably focus in a bit from, apologies, zoom in a bit more. I didn't notice I was super zoomed out. Apologies if you hear the running upstairs. It's my neighbors. And again, I'm recording. Reason I'm kind of recording late in the day is because I'm recording right after I get out of work. And it's, you know, it's while you're waiting for dinner to finish, be ready and all of that. So that's what works out while you're trying to make a video. Because, you know, everything else is doing its thing and you get to record. Even with neighbors that are running around doing what they want to do. As you can probably all hear, I try really hard to mute it, so I do apologize if you all hear it. But yeah, it is what it is, as the saying goes. So how are you all doing? I hope everyone's having, well, a wonderful week. Because I believe we are, oh, it is Thursday actually. Apologies, there's a really low plane. Give me a moment. Ooh, apologies for that. That was a helicopter. That wasn't a plane. You can kind of tell, you know, you can hear the difference of the way the blades sound when the plane's going through. And yeah, that was a helicopter. Usually they don't fly this late. Usually it's in the mid-afternoon they'll be flying around here, you know, doing helicopter things. So as I was saying, I really hope y'all are having a nice week. Diamond painting or whatever it is you're doing for the week. And, you know, just relaxing, doing what you gotta do. Yeah, I'm getting better with placing. I keep fixing it because I keep forgetting this is a Diamond Art Club single placer. And for some reason, it used to fit on this pen perfectly. But recently it's been, as you can probably see, I can move it a bit. It jiggles a bit when I'm placing. So that's why I'm making sure it's straight, because the single placer might not be. And I own a lot of these single placers, so that's why I really want to be able to use them. And I actually have a Diamond Art Club pen, and it does the same thing on that one. So it's kind of odd, because there's a statement, if you ever purchase any of these, it says that sometimes it might not fit because of the way that they're made. Which, I mean, it's true. A lot of, especially this pen, it's a handmade pen. So, of course, might not fit perfectly with it. So, that's why I have no problems with it. I just have to keep an eye out, because it wiggles a bit and it throws off when I play. So that's if you see me keep fixing. That is what I'm doing. But really, this is my favorite pen. And I have another pen in white in the same style. And it's from the same company as well. And for some reason, it's this pen I like going back to. You know, how we can all have like 20 different pens, but there's always one that we always stick to. I think that's kind of funny. And I am the same way, because since I'm a crocheter, I am the same way with my crochet hooks. I have so many, but I always stick to the same one. You can say it's your favorite. And it's kind of funny, because my husband thinks it's kind of funny. He notices, oh, you have so many. And I tell him, Yeah, but it's just sometimes, okay, maybe all the times. You want to go back, always be, you know, working with one that you think is one of your favorites. That's what I think. So, yeah, pretty much. It's Thursday, so almost there till Friday, and then thank goodness for the weekend. Oh, speaking of why I'm really looking up to the weekend, or forward. Yeah, forward. I actually started a little square painting on the side. I think I might have said it in this past week's whipping chat, the longer one. I wanted to start up. I did kit up a square painting, and I didn't put a video. I just did it on the side because I sat down and I saw that, ooh, I've been working on a lot of rounds. I should practice more on my squares. And don't get me wrong, I know I have some whips that are squares. But this painting, it's smaller, and every time I kept looking at it, it's just so pretty, and it's so cute. And it has such a chill vibe to it. It's relaxing, I guess that's the word I'm looking for. It's a Susan Wingett painting. It's from Diamond Art Club, and it's one of her mason jar ones with flowers, and I love those paintings. So I kitted it up, and I slowly been working on it. I actually found that I'm getting better at multi-placing with squares. Which, when I finished the section I looked at it and I thought, oh my goodness, they're straight. I thought my poor squares are going to be real wavy or something. No, they're all straight. And I am slower. I know that, you know, squares take a little longer because apparently they're smaller than rounds. So that's why they sometimes paintings take a little longer. But of course, as someone who just completed the 1-year anniversary of being a diamond painter, I don't think I can use the excuse anymore that, oh, I'm new. That's right. No, I think I just need more. I need more practice. That's the word. That's the wording I'm going to go with. And like I said, since most of my paintings are round, I need to go and give some love to the squares. And I do like squares. I'm not picky about, you know, I only do rounds. No, if the painting is pretty, I'm going to do the painting. Because I love the painting. Doesn't matter what kind of material you're going to use. Or diamond in this case. So I'm working on it. And once I get more done on it, I think I'll do a progress video. Probably, I'm not sure this week. Because I usually try to plan out the videos I'm going to do. These 10-minute whipping shots are just random. I just started coming up with it because I wanted to see, ooh, I feel that, I know that I had said I'm only going to do a video every other day, but I don't know. I feel kind of, I don't know, that I abandoned y'all. That is so dramatic. But that's how I feel, because I had gone used to, you know, I had gone used to putting a video every day. And then I stopped, and I'm at work, and I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I can totally be recording. Or maybe I should record this when I get home. Maybe I should do all of these for the weekend. Like, I'm always thinking about diamond painting. Even when I'm at work and I'm sitting at my desk doing what I have to do, and I'm thinking of diamond painting. I think all of us diamond painters are like that. And I start thinking, okay, what do I record this? And I organize this and that. My brain, I'm always thinking. So that's why these 10-minute whipping shots came to mind. Or just between the days that I'm going to do my longer videos. And I do appreciate everyone that watched the last one. And I do like that there were a good number of views. So I know, you know, some of y'all out there like these little quick snippets of chats. Of course, I'm being super honest. I don't read a script. So sometimes I honestly have to think, what am I going to talk about? And sometimes it just flows and just works. I'm actually liking single placing this. I don't know why my multi-placer, the putty is, woo, there goes. That was, as I said, it wiggles a lot. I really need to fix that. I could change the pen, but I kind of don't want to. And this one has a glue dot. So that's why I'm not having to change whenever I'm placing. But I'm actually kind of enjoying single placing all of these diamonds. I'm actually liking that. And I did that with, oopsie, how it disconnects. Yeah, let me see if I have another. No, but I want to change my pen. I like this pen. If it falls off again, then I'll switch the pen. Don't fall off. I like you. And yeah, I think it was my WIP and chat this past Saturday that I was single placing, and I started saying, "Oh my goodness, I forgot how much I like to single place," and I was actually enjoying painting again. Wow, that sounds bad. And yeah, I'm actually enjoying it, and that's because I've been multi-placing a lot. So when I started doing it with that, and there we go. Yeah, I need to change it. And yeah, I started enjoying it, and I started having fun. So reminded me of, you know, when you first start, majority of us, we all start with single placing. So that's when I started just having fun and just started placing all over. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should just go back to just single placing. Not to say just a feel of love of diamond painting again. That sounds bad. But mostly just to, you know, take my time and kind of enjoy it. And I appreciate to the really kind person that left me a comment. I believe it was in my last 10-minute video. They tell me to be patient. I appreciate that. I do think of that. I think of that lovely comment. So thank you so much. And my apologies. I always forget the name. I do apologize for that. But I appreciate that. And that actually made me think. So I should calm down a bit and not just be like, oh my goodness, I gotta paint. No, I need to remember why I love this lovely craft. Now that was dramatic. Oh, and we hit 11 minutes again. Maybe I should change this to 11-minute whip and chat. And goodness, I did complete a lot single placing. I kind of don't work on it. I want to keep just touching it when I'm doing 10-minute videos. And since I'm single placing, I think I'm going to keep doing that with this painting, because that just came out perfectly. And that is coming out so nice, and I really like it. So we can all see this wonderful painting slowly come together. Besides, I'm a lot faster single placing than multi placing. There's logic behind that. And again, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, single placing and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.